Kita natin si Unicorn Gundam. Lock number.
Okay.
After mga SK, may pumuntaan tayo. Para na culture shock ako. Hi guys. So, I am planning to go to Odaiba right now. So, I'm going to see yung Unicorn Gundam mula dito sa Kinchu. Merong option dito for the bus. Yan yung pinaka mabilis. According dito, it's like an hour away. So, I'm trying to figure out kung saan ako sasakay dyan kasi marami dyan sa Kinchu station na mga bus station. Check natin dito. Number 1. This is number 2. Where's number 1? Okay, doon sa kabila na number 1. Ah, okay. Ito yun. So 1. Is this the bus? This one? Okay, thank you. Munti ko makalimutan yung pag-tap ng card. Always remember that. Tap the card first. Tap the card first. Ayun guys, nakababa na tayo ng tren. Tayo ng bus. Uy, kita ko na yung sa Digimon. Anime movie ng Digimon. Yung the first one, ng Adventures. Cool. That's it? That's it? Yay! Ang galing! Yan, nakaabot tayo. As in, umabot lang ako. Hey! Kita natin si Unicorn Gundam! Hey! Ang ganda niya. Tingnan niyo. Ay, mukha ko yan. Ito. Yan. Diba? Damn. Basta, hindi makabigyan ng justice yung camera ko, pero in person, as in, ang ganda niya tingnan. Ang alam ko, merong isa pang Gundam sa Yokohama, pero nag-close siya early this year. However, parang na-transfer siya doon sa Osaka. And since hindi tayo makapunta ng Osaka, so maybe next time na lang. I think meron pa ibang may mga nagpipicture kasi. Yes, likod nyo, tingnan nyo. Ay, mukha ko naman yan. Ito. Yan yung likod. Diba? Amazing. Ay, nagtry ako gumawa ng time-lapse. Yung, alam mo yung parang nasa gitna lang subject mo tapos umiikot-ikot ka. Hindi ko magawa. Ang pangit na kuha ko. Guys, ang ganda. Grabe. Ganda talaga. Alright guys. So, alis na tayo. Next destination natin ngayon is pupunta tayo ng Teusu Fish Market. So, we're just gonna take the train. So, say bye-bye na kay Gundam. Bye-bye! So, sasakay ako ng train. I think Mga 10 minutes na walk papunta doon sa train station. Pupunta pa ako sana sa may Liberty. Kaso ang layo pala. Sa kabila pa pala yung Odaiba mismo. Ang layo pala. Sige, okay lang. Lakad lang tayong lakad. Tsaka parang ang ganda kasi ng view dito. Ay, ang ganda dito. Parang gusto ko mag-jogging. Wow, gusto ko mag-jogging. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Yung parang ganito. Parang signature siya ng, ng Gundam dito, which is yung unicorn head. No, that's probably it. Pero hindi ako sure. Di ba? Para siyang, signature ng, unicorn head. I mean, unicorn head. Unicorn horn. Unicorn horn. Tama ba? Unicorn horn. Di ko alam, ano ba yung dito? Saan niya papunta? Papunta pang Odaiba yan? Ang ito, yung hagdan. Parang gusto ko sumakay dyan. Or umakyat. Meron siya ng walk later. Hala, maganda dyan oh. Ang ganda ng park. It's giving Intramuros. Charot. Kakalabas ko lang ng station and ngayon nalalakad lang tayo pupunta ng Tayuso Fish Market. Pero parang sabi dito sa Google Map parang close na parang close na daw. So check lang natin na bababa ba tayo? I think bababa tayo. Sige, bababa tayo. Yung entrance nyon is supposedly parang parang siyang Edo period na vibe. Ay, Google. Kakainis. Kung saan niya ako nadala. Kanina, pinapadaan ako dito. Tapos ngayon, pinapabalik niya ako. Tapos dadaan ako parang sa ganyan. Ay, grabe. Pinapahirapan talaga ako ni Google maghanap. Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin siya nakikita ko saan. Feeling ko yan yun. Ito. Feeling ko yan yung Manyo Club. Ito na yun.
So after ng paglilipot-lipot ko and getting a little lost around Tayuso, I finally made it to Tayuso Fish Market, and it's actually on the same building as the Tayuso Manyo Club. I got here around 8 p.m. so a lot of the stalls and restaurants are already closing up for the night. Some spots weren't even taking orders anymore, which means yung plan ko sana to try yung uni, tamago, or sushi tonight, hindi nangyari. But even then, the market is huge. It feels like its own little seafood city. You can see rows of seafood displays and hear a mix of laughters and conversation from people enjoying their meals indoors. The market has this authentic mix of tradition and modernity, giving you a taste of parang Japan's Edo period na atmosphere. So even though I didn't get to eat here, just walking through Tayuso Fish Market at night is still worth it kasi ang ganda talaga. Next time, I'll make sure to come early and fully dive in. And what's even cooler pala is that the market here is connected to the Manyo Club Onsen, which I booked from Klook.
Sige, pasok lang ako. Pasok ko lang. Excuse me, do you know where I can find this?
Okay, 7th floor. 7.
Okay, thank you. So it's gonna be here, 7th floor. Hi, I book here?
Yes, we scan this QR.
Huh?
We scan this QR.
Oh, okay.
For IC chip.
IC chip, lock number.
Beep, beep. Wallet. Okay.
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 で、シューズ、テイクオフ、バックイン。
Bag?
そう、シューズバッグ。
Okay.
そう。
Okay.
そう、で、浴衣、
Yukata.
フリー、レンタル。
Ah, okay.
6フロア、温
6th
泉。
floor, onsen,
で、
yeah.
ロッカールーム、ここ。
Ah, locker room onsen.
バスタオルとかもある。
Okay.
タオル。OK? 2、3、リラックスルーム。寝れるところ。
Relaxation
スリー
room.
プ。
Ah,
スリープ、スリープ。で、10フロア、
10th floor.
フットバス。
Rooftop footbath. Ah,
OK?
okay.
OK?
Okay.
Okay.
Tattoo.
あ、タトゥー。
Small tattoo.
M、L、LL。 全部同じ値段。
Yeah.
あれ ?1?
Yeah, one.
Okay.
So ito guys, oh. Meron silang itong size kapag ano kalaki yung tattoo mo. So medium, ito yung pinakamalaki na ma-cover up ng tattoo mo. So if ever you have tattoo, it can be covered up here.
タトゥーシール。ペンタ。
After 110, 110 and 150.
タトゥー
Thank you.
カバーシール。OK?
Okay.
あ、でこれ、ありがとう。
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright guys, so I just already take off my shoes. Yan. So nalagay ko dito sa may bag. Tapos now we're gonna look for yukata. So check tayo dito. I'm probably medium. Kuha tayo ng parang OP belt. Ano pala kaya iba nito? Same lang ba? Parang mahulog.
If you're not familiar what an onsen is, it's a traditional Japanese hot spring baths. You've probably seen them in anime where characters relax in steamy pools. It's part of Japanese culture, and let me tell you, it's as relaxing as it looks. However, everyone's actually naked, like walang saplot, no swimsuit, no underwear, wala. Which is why recording inside the onsen is not allowed. This is actually my very first time experiencing an onsen, and na-culture shock talaga ako pagpasok ko pa lang sa locker area. I thought na medyo madilim or foggy so it won't be visible, pero it was so bright sa loob! At first it felt weird and awkward, but eventually I got used to it. It's just the way it's done naman. So I booked this onsen through Klook. It's called the Senkyaku Banrai Toyoso Manyu Club Onsen. They have modern facilities with a mix of traditional touch, plus an amazing view of the Tokyo skyline from the outdoor baths. And let me tell you, ang ganda ng outdoor bath nila guys, and the water is really relaxing as in.
Hey guys, bumili lang ako ng ice cream. So ang ice cream nila dito is 380 yen. So yeah, napaka thick niya. After ang ice cream, may pupuntaan tayo dito sa may 3rd floor, 2nd floor. Parang dito parang relaxation area. Yay! Ang ganda, no? Grabe. Ano nyo guys? First time ko maka-experience ng onsen dito sa Japan, and I don't know what to say kasi coming from a very conservative country, parang na-culture shock ako today kasi ang dami ko nakita. Kasi most likely hindi ako makakita ng ganun, di ba? So ayun, bumaba na ako guys, hindi ko kaya kasi sobrang lamig. Sobrang lamig as in. Tapos may patingin rin ng mga Pinoy doon. Kaya nakat yung pinagsasabi ko. As I was saying, coming from a conservative country, parang na-culture shock ako kasi, di ba? Kami ako nakita. So, ayun. Aarti ng mga Pinoy na pumunta doon sa taas. Parang mga Gen Z yata. Tapos, oh my god, take a picture with me here. Oh my god, oh my god. Aarte. So, one last One last try na lang doon sa onsen. And bibihis na tayo. Or try ko kaya sa ibang floor. Ano pa ba kayo sa ibang floor? Hi guys, so kakalabas ko lang ng Tokyo Manyo Onsen Club something. Ang weird ng experience. It was like the strangest thing na experience ko ever kasi ang dami ko nakita. Hindi naman intentionally na nakikita ko. It was a good experience. It was really relaxing, especially yung water, yung hot water na galing talaga sa Hakone. Alam ko kasi masakit yung likod ko. Tapos kanina na nag-dip ako sa spring water, parang medyo nawala. At saka twice ako nag-dip doon sa onsen. Yung una, para mga around 15 to 20 minutes. Then lumabas ako, kumain ng ice cream to cool down. Tsaka after that, nag-onsen ako ulit. So that time na, sa second time ko na, mga around 10 minutes lang. Gusto ko sana mag-onsen ulit. Kasi only naman hanggang 3 AM. Pero kasi alas 10 na. And I had to catch train. Sana nag-enjoy rin kayo sa mga trip natin today. Kahit medyo nawawala tayo. And yeah, I hope nag-enjoy kayo as much as I did. So, see you na lang sa next video. Bye-bye! I know it's gonna be a lot of people lining up for that spot. Ang lawak pala dito sa may Prince. Nagpa-fall yung mga leaves. Ore. Latte it's ore. Yan, tax-free na okay. Ang dalawang Budol District.